Hi kids, this is Sir Mukesh here. Okay, now as we know that from last 2 weeks our topic is volume and surface area. Kids, you know what is volume? Volume mean occupying space by anything, and surface area mean the amount of surface covered by all the faces of any solid. So this is difference between surface area and volume. Volume mean occupying space, and total surface area mean area of all the faces. So like this is the surface area, this surface that I can touch, this is surface. So this is the surface of the whiteboard. So now look here class, last week we did volume and surface area of pyramids. These are few pyramids: square base pyramid, triangular base pyramid, pentagonal base pyramid, and now we are doing volume and surface area of cones. So what is difference between the cones and the pyramids? As you know that pyramid is a solid having one polygonal face. One of the face of the pyramid is polygonal base. Why we call it polygonal base? Because on this face the pyramid is supposed to be standing. If you look here very carefully, in this square base pyramid, this blue one, the shaded blue one, is a polygonal base. Why it is polygonal base? Because this is the face, this is the square face on which the pyramid is supposed to be standing. Or we also said, what is polygonal base? The face which is in contact with the ground, or the face which is touching the ground, or the face, the polygonal face on which this square base pyramid is supposed to be standing. So this blue shaded part is a polygonal base because it is on the ground. Okay, the pyramid is supposed to be standing on this square base pyramid. So this is the square base. The blue shaded part is a polygon. And which polygon? The four-sided polygon. Which four-sided polygon? Whose all four sides are equal. So all four sides are equal. So this means this is a square polygonal base. Okay. All the other faces are slanted triangle, and all the slanted triangle are attached with the polygonal base. So in this one, this is the first side of a square, so there is slanted triangle attached with it. Look, this front slanted triangle. This is second side of the square, so with this side there is one more triangle attached with it. Now the back one, the third side, so there is one more slanted triangle attached with it. This is the fourth side, so one more triangle attached with it. So if the polygonal base is four-sided figure, so there will be four triangle attached with all the four-sided of the polygonal base. Now this is triangular base pyramid, or we also call it tetrahedron. All the triangular base pyramid, the pyramid with the triangular polygonal base, are called tetrahedron. So look here, this blue shaded part is a right angle triangle or a triangle. So this pyramid is called a triangular base pyramid or a tetrahedron. So always the pyramid depend on the polygonal base. So if it is a triangular base, if this is a triangular base, so there will be three more slanted triangle attached with the polygonal base. With this there is a triangle attached with it, the slanted triangle. With this there is a triangle attached with it, this triangle. And look here, जो पीछे side है, there is one more triangle attached with it. So this is a tetrahedron, triangular base pyramid. So it has total four faces. One polygonal base, which is a blue one, the triangular base, and three triangle, slanted triangle attached with it. Now again, as I told you, pyramid always dependent on its polygonal base. This time this blue is the blue color, the blue shaded part is a polygonal base. This time the polygonal base is pentagonal because now it is five-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five-sided polygonal base. So there will be five slanted triangle attached with it. First slanted triangle, second slanted triangle, the third side and third slanted triangle. Okay, the fourth side and fourth slanted triangle. This is the fifth side, this one, and the fifth slanted triangle. So it has total six faces. One pentagonal base, and with all the five side of a pentagonal base there is a slanted triangle attached with it. So that's why I said pyramid always depend on its polygonal base. Pentagonal base mean total six faces. One pentagonal base, six slanted triangle. Tetrahedron, triangular base pyramid, so it has total four faces. One triangular base and three slanted triangle attached with all the three sides. Okay, now quadrilateral base, square base, rectangular base. So it has 5 faces, 1 polygonal base and 5 slanted triangle attached with all the 4 sides of a square. Okay. So now as we know that volume of pyramid, volume of pyramid is always volume of pyramid dependent on its polygonal base and height. So 1/3 multiplied by height, sorry guys, 1/3 multiplied by area of polygonal base multiplied by height of pyramid. So always guys, the volume of pyramid depend on 2 things, the area of the polygonal base and height of pyramid. So when we calculating the occupying space by the pyramid, so it is always dependent on 2 things, area of polygonal base multiplied by height of pyramid. So this blue part is polygonal base, this blue is the polygonal base, this blue is the polygonal base, and we know that there are 2 heights in a pyramid. So this height, the shortest distance from apex, the shortest distance from this apex, apex mean the common corner. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, these are called the corner points. These corner points are called vertex. 1 corner point, 2 corner point, 3 corner point, 4 corner point and 5. So this is called common vertex, or we also call it apex. What is common vertex? Where all the slanted triangle join with each other. So this is common vertex, this is vertex, this is vertex, this is vertex, this is vertex. Okay. So this is the height of the pyramid, the shortest vertical distance between the polygonal base and the common vertex apex. Okay. So in this triangular base pyramid, this is the height of pyramid and this is apex. So what is height? The shortest vertical distance between the polygonal base and the common vertex or apex. So this is the height of the pyramid, the shortest vertical distance between the apex and the polygonal base. So when we calculating volume, we need 2 things, area of polygonal base and height of pyramid. Now total surface area of pyramid, we know that total surface area mean area of all the faces of a pyramid. So if this is a square base, so the area will be area of polygonal base, which is square. Look here guys, the polygonal base area of all the faces, area of all the faces. So in this pyramid it has 5 faces, 1 square base and 4 triangle attached with it. So in case of square face, the total surface area is L square plus 4 triangles. Okay guys, now today our main topic is now today my topic is volume and surface area of cones. So now look here, what is difference between the pyramid and the cone? In my opinion guys, cones are easier than the pyramids because the pyramid has different polygonal base, pentagonal base, with 1 pentagonal base 5 slanted triangle, triangular base, with this triangular base 3 more triangle, square base, with this square base there are 4 more triangle attached with it. Now what is difference between the pyramids and the cones? The only difference between the pyramid and cone, the cone has a circular base. Look here guys, the blue shaded part is a circle. So this is a circle, all the cone has a circular base. In our syllabus we have a cone with the circular base. So this is easier for you guys because every time, this time the polygonal base is square, this time the polygonal base is triangular, this time the polygonal base is pentagonal. So look here guys, this is the only difference between the cone and the pyramids. In pyramids, the pyramid, every time the pyramid has different polygonal base, but the cone has a circular base. So the formula is still same. The only difference between the cone and the pyramid, it has always a circular base. But in pyramid, we have sometime a square base, a rectangular base, a triangular base, a pentagonal base, octagonal base, hexagonal base. But in cones, we always have a circular base. So we know that the volume of pyramid is guys 1/3 multiplied by area of base multiplied by height of pyramid. So the properties of cones, the volume, the cone has the same method of calculating the occupying space. 1/3 multiply area of base. So look here, to find the volume of cone, so 1/3 multiply by base area. So we know that what is base? The base is circular. Here the base is square, so instead of area of base we write L square, area of square. Here instead of area of base we write area of triangle, half into base into height. Now in this case the base is circular, so in cone we will write 1/3 multiply by pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square. To calculate the surface of the circle we always use pi r square into height. So this is the formula, guys, to calculate the volume of cone. It is same as the volume of pyramid. The only difference, in pyramids it will be square base, triangle base, hexagonal base, but in cone we always have a circular base. So 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, total surface area of cone. Now look here, in cones we have one polygonal base and all the other faces are triangular. All the other faces are triangle, but there is, because a circle is a curve, a circle is not a polygon, it is a closed figure bounded by a curve. So there will be no slanted triangle attached with it. Instead of slanted triangle there will be a curve attached with it. Look here, wait guys, look here guys, this is a pyramid, polygonal base with polygonal base, triangles attached with it. Look here guys, 4 triangles attached with it. Have you seen the slanted triangles? The polygonal base, and with all the length of the polygonal base there is a triangle attached with it. Now look here guys, now look here, this is a cone. Okay guys, look here, this is a cone. So this is a circular base, this is a circular base because it is on the ground, it is in contact with the ground. Okay, the cone is supposed to be standing on this circular base. Look here guys, I'm trying to showing it to you. Look here, like this guys, look here. So this is a circular base of a cone. Have you seen it? This circular part is in contact with the ground. This circular base, this is the circular base, so this is on the ground, it is in contact with the ground. So this cone is supposed to standing on this circular base. That's why we call the circular surface the circular base. Look here guys, this is the circular base. Look here, have you seen it guys? Look here, this is the circular base. Look here, have you seen it? Ye dekho, look. So this is a circular base. Okay, so it has 2 surfaces, the circular base, guys, look here, the circular base and the curved surface. So the cone has 2 faces, the circular base and the curve. Look here, this is the curve, जहाँ से आप आइसक्रीम कोन ग्रिप करते हो, जहाँ से आप हैंडल करते हो, इसको ग्रिप करते हो. So this is curvy. Have you seen this guys? This is curvy. Okay, so it has 2 faces. Guys, look here, it has 2 faces. Look here, this circular one, look here, this blue circular surface, so circular surface area, and this guys, look here at the top, the curve, look here, this one, look here guys, have you seen it guys? जहाँ से मैंने इसको पकड़ा हुआ है, this is curve area of a cone, and this is circular area of cone. Look here guys, this is circular area and this is curve area. So this is the circular base. So when we calculating the total surface area of a cone, so it including 2 surface, the curved surface and the circular base.